Now, a cookie is often used to identify a user. A cookie is a small file that a server embed on the user's computer. So cookies are like information that you put in your user's computer. For example, if you study some sites that you get logged in anytime you visit the website, that's because your ID, probably your password and everything has been saved on your computer. So anytime you try to access that website, the application just go over to where the information are saved and actually authenticate you with that. And if those informations are not actually found on your computer, you're going to be asked to log in. I think most applications do this. These are, I think they do it actually. Because if I'm to build an application, that's how I'm going to do it. So that's what a cookie does. A cookie just accepts this data and actually save it in your client's computer for a specific time. So you can specify a time for your cookie to expire. So let's just go ahead and practicalize this and actually see how it works. So to actually use cookie, you just need to use the function set cookie and give it the necessary argument, and this will actually work perfectly on your application. So let's just go ahead and create in PHP, and right here to use cookie, let's just use set cookie. And right here you can see some info. So this will take a name, that's the name of the cookie, a value, an expire, date for the cookie, a path, a domain, a skill. So we're not going to be using all these arguments. We're just going to be using the ones that I feel like is actually necessary for your application. So right here, let's just go ahead and give this cookie a name. And right here, I'm going to call this a name. So that would be the name for the cookie. And I'm going to give this a value. So this will be the value for the cookie. And the next thing we can now do is to actually give this cookie an expiring date. So right here, I'm just going to say time. This will be the current time, and I'm just going to add the current time plus probably a day or two. So let's just say 86400. Now 8640 actually means a day. So I'm going to multiply this with 2. That means 2 days now. So 2 days plus current time. So after 2 days, this cookie will actually be expired. So the users, the application can access this again after 2 days. So that's just what the whole of this line does. So we're setting an expiring date for our cookie. So right here, the next argument that we're going to give is a /. So let's just end this line of code. You can see the error line has been cleared. So we've successfully set our cookie right now, and we can actually go ahead and echo this out. So we're going to echo this out on another page because we want to actually see that this cookie actually works on multiple pages. So let's just go ahead and run this page. So cookies. So we've successfully set our cookie right now, and if we should go over to our inspector in our storage cookies, and let's just see, you can see the name right here. So we've saved this cookie right here, and you can see the expiring date. Today is actually Wednesday, and it expires in 2 days, which is Friday, October 15, 2021 at That's the time of this recording. You can see the day, the last access, which is present, which is the current date. So you can see we actually set this cookie to expire in 2 days, which is what we're actually getting right here. So you can see this, and we actually set path right here to be /. So this is how you set cookie, and we can actually go ahead and bring that, display that cookie in another page. So let's just create another page, and right here we can say display cookie.php. So this is how you display cookie. So right here, let's just see this. Let's just access the page, and right here say display cookie. And right here we can now say PHP, and we can echo $_cookie, and the name of the cookie, which is name, right here. So let's just go ahead and refresh. You can see we get that value for the name right here. So guys, this is how you work with cookie.